In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create hundreds of backlinks in just 30 minutes. In this video, I'm all talking about RankerX backlink software in which you can create hundreds and thousands of backlinks. So this will be all a mix of do follow, no follow backlinks, high DAPA in just 30 minutes. So let's get started. So this is the home screen of RankerX backlink software. So as you can see on the left hand side, there are lots of options like contents, blurs, diagram, email manager, wizards, settings, etc. So as of now, you don't have to think much about the options here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a demo on how you can create backlinks for your blog. So let's get started. So first of all, when you come in the campaigns, you just have to click on this plus icon, and I'll just name the campaign. So that is my money blog, personal finance blog. And here you have to select this using XWizards, and there are lots of strategies out here. You can check each and every strategy in the diagrams tab. So as of now, I'm going to select this SEO expert. As you can see, this is the diagram. This will be your money site. So these are all tier 1 sites which are connecting directly to your money sites, and these are all tier 2 websites which are connecting directly to your tier 1 websites. So I'll just click on save. Okay, so this is the screen here. So we'll just quickly do the settings. So here, as you can see, you have to select the tier 1 websites. I'll select all sites, and for the tier 2 also I'll select all sites. And this one is for links and keywords. So here, as you can see, how many number of links do you want? So I've kept minimum 1 and 3. I'll keep it as it is. And you have to also give tags like so since this is a finance blog, so I'll just okay. So I've given the tags here, and this is the URL, target URL website on which you want your backlink. So I already have this website. I'll just Control C and Control V here. Okay, so this is my URL, and here, as you can see, this will be the keywords, primary, secondary, and branded keywords, which will be replacing the links. So in this case, I'll just write personal finance money. So these are all secondary keywords like how to save money, and these are all branded keywords like your blog's name, and these are generic keywords like click here. Okay, so here, as you can see, you can just adjust the percentage in which you want these keywords. So accordingly, the primary keywords percentage will be reduced, and this is the naked URL. Okay, so here, as you can see, there are multiple options where you want to place your links like top, bottom, between sentence, between paragraphs. So I have kept this one, replace keywords. Okay, so once this is done, I'll just copy the settings as it is for tier 2 websites also. Okay, this is done. I'll just enter tags here, personal finance. Okay, so after that, you have to just click on content here, and I've already made a content for personal finance, and again I'll just click on personal finance, and I'll click here insert images to a post, and here what I'll do is enter images URL, and one is the search for images. So I'll just click on search for images and enter the keywords for images. So I will like personal finance, so accordingly the software will pull out images according to this keywords. So here as you can see, there are minimum number of images, one, maximum number of images, I'll keep it 2, and image position will be random. And again for the tier 2 also I'll do the same thing, maximum image 2, minimum 1. Okay, so once this is done, this will keep as it is by default. Again email also you have to keep as it is. Indexer, you just have to untick this, because currently the Google console has disallowed to use this service. Okay, this is done, and this is the schedule. So in order that we start our process, so there are like hundreds of backlinks. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to just bifurcate in the coming days. So suppose we'll just start the process from now and we'll continue the process for next 5 days, because Google might come to know that it is a robot, because if in a day hundreds of backlinks are created, so it's better like we create 10 to 20 backlinks per day, so that will be good for everyone. So once this is done, you can even select like 10 days here, and once this is done you just have to click on confirm and create campaign. As you can see, the campaign, our campaign has been created here. So this is all the account creation. As you can see, it's all running. Once I click any of the link here, I'll just show you. Okay, so once I click on sites here, as you can see, it's already running. The Google captcha reCAPTCHA service is already running, and it will create all the accounts here on Web 2.0 blogs. There are lots of sites like there are social media profiles. Then there are lots of Web 2.0 sites which you can create backlinks. So that you have, guys, you can create hundreds and thousands of backlinks using this software. So if you haven't used this RankerX software, I'm giving you the link in the description. Use the link. You can just create thousands and hundreds of backlinks. So I hope you like the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.